Hello everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to easily add numbering to your Google Sheets. So let's jump right in. Adding numbers in Google Sheet is simple. You can either use autofill method or a formula to create number list. For autofill method, type 1 in the first cell, then 2 in the next cell. Highlight both cells and drag the fill handle. Another one is using a formula. For the dynamic list, type equals to capital ROW, open bracket, then close bracket, and -1 works perfectly. So if your data start elsewhere, just adjust the formula like equals to capital ROW, open bracket, close bracket, -4 if you are starting from row 5. Drag the formula down or double click the corner to autofill based on the adjacent data column. The autofill method is great for short list, while the formula method is useful for longer list or when you want the numbers to update automatically as you add or remove rows. And that's it. Now you can easily add numbering in Google Sheets. Try it out and don't forget to like and subscribe for more Google Sheet tips.